In this video, I will guide you on how to optimize Google Play Store for battery and privacy. First, you want to launch open your settings, then scroll down and tap on Apps. Here you want to find Google Play Store. Now tap on Storage, then tap on Clear Cache. Now head back, then tap on Battery. And make sure that you select Restricted over here. This prevents the Play Store from running constantly in the background. Next, you want to tap on Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Now, turn off background data usage and allow data while data saver is on. This stops unwanted data usage. Next, you want to optimize inside Play Store app. For that, launch open Play Store, then tap on the profile icon at the top right, tap on Settings, then tap General. Now select Notifications. Here, turn off things like deals and promotions, gaming updates, and community posts. This reduces background activity and saves battery. Next, you want to disable Auto Update app. For that, while on your settings, tap on Network Preferences, then tap Auto Update Apps. Here you want to choose Don't Auto Update Apps or Over Wi-Fi Only. Auto updates can drain both battery and data. Next, you want to manually update apps when needed. For that, head back, tap on the profile icon, then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here, tap Update when needed. This gives you full control. Next, you want to update Play Store itself. For that, head over to your settings on Play Store, then tap on About. Now tap Update Play Store. Keeping it updated ensures better performance and fewer bugs. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.